Alright guys, so welcome to this video. Hopefully you guys are excited. I know I am. And today we're going to be signing up for Pictory, and we're going to be using a discount code to make sure that you get it at the cheapest price. So let's get started. Alright, so after clicking that discount code, it takes me to the first page or the main page of Pictory. Once you're on this main page, we're going to head over to the little purple button that says get started for free. All right, and the good thing is there's no credit card required, so we're going to go ahead and press that. Now after that, it's going to take you to the screen where it's going to ask you to enter in your name, your email address, and your password. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Then let's try it again. Hit sign up. All right, so now it's just thinking, and now it takes you on to, or what is it? So right there, you see it's welcome to Pictory. Pictory lets you create videos from scratch and also lets you edit, repurpose your own videos. What do you have in mind today? All right, so we're not gonna do that now. We are on the free plan, and what I'm gonna go ahead and do after that is I'm gonna go ahead and hit upgrade. Now, once you get to the screen, you'll notice here that it has 3 plans available. You have the standard, you have the premium, and then you have the enterprise. On this little button here, you notice you can switch between monthly and yearly. All right, so if you do monthly, if you just take, for instance, the premium plan, you'll see that it works out to about $47 per month. Now, if you go ahead and hit the yearly, that comes down to $39 per month. So obviously, if this is something you're going to commit to, you're going to be saving yourself some money by doing it a yearly. All right. The good thing is when you're signing up with a coupon code, is the coupon code works with the yearly, and you also get the 20% off. So you're getting a much larger discount if you use the coupon code, get your 20%, and then you also switch it over to the yearly plan. I'm going to go ahead and sign up now with the yearly plan for the premium. All right, so right now you're seeing it starting out at $468 at the time of this video. All right, guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter in the discount code. Hit pay securely. It's going to now take me to this checkout page where the price originally is coming up for $468. There's a 20% discount and then an additional 20% for doing the yearly plan. So as you can see, it actually took off $93.60. Bringing down my total to sign up for $374.40. All right, so I have 2 options to sign up. That's PayPal or credit card. I'm just going to choose credit card. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my credit card information. All right, guys, payment successful. You have now signed up for Pictory, and this is where the fun starts. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and sign up to become an affiliate. So we can actually start sharing and talking about Pictory, and when we do, we're going to get paid for it. Here we are on the dashboard. If you just go over to the right hand side under your name, you scroll down and it says become an affiliate. You're going to get a little introduction video where we can actually just press play here. Alright, so I'm not going to let you watch all this video right now, but you go ahead and watch it and we'll be right back. Alright, so after you press that, you're going to have to sign an agreement, which you have a little button that says view document. You're going to click that. You want to carefully read these terms of agreement. Once you've read the terms and you're satisfied with them, you're okay with them, you're going to want to hit that little button to check mark it, and then you're going to hit submit. All right, so you're going to get to a page where you want to pick your payout method. I'm going to choose PayPal. Enter in your PayPal email. And hit save. All right, so if you'll notice here, the minimum payout is $10. So you have to reach that threshold before you'll actually get paid out. All right, so if you're signing up and you consider signing up using my code is Dean77. If you use my code, I definitely would appreciate it. I've left the link below in the description. But whether you use my code or not, I think that you should sign up for Pictory. It is a powerful program, and you can start making money on YouTube right away. I'm gonna make another video that's gonna be right here or right there. That's gonna show you the next step after signing up. All right guys, so now I'm back on the platform, and in my next video, I'm gonna actually show you how to get started in using Pictory. All right, so hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.